friends, welcome back to Uttara Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to make a yummy sauteed cabbage, a classic cabbage dish for Irish cuisine for weight loss. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Shredded cabbage, red onion, scallion, butter. You can substitute butter with coconut oil. Traditionally, this recipe is made using butter. Today we are going to make this recipe with coconut oil for a more healthy and vegan option. Salt, black pepper, roasted garlic powder. Heat a pan with coconut oil. Add chopped onion, garlic powder and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. Add cabbage and stir and saute cook for about 10 minutes until cabbage is wilted and tender. Season cabbage with salt and pepper. Add scallions and mix well. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with cilantro. Delicious sauteed cabbage is ready for serving. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon to receive our updates. See you soon on our next video. Bye!